We have a new unboxing. Just arrived today through DHL delivery. DHL. And this set is for Kawasaki ZH2 2021 to 2023. Bottle to. So yan siya. This is a slip-on set exhaust. Slip-on set exhaust to. As usual, delivered by DHL. And again, kaya sa akin dumating kasi remote area yung address ng client. So this is supposed to be diretso na sa client's address eh. So ayan. Dumi lang ng ano yan, scotch tape. So this is made of real titanium, at the same time handmade works. Handmade work siya, kaya ganito kaganda. You can actually see the welding itself, how nice it is. So again, this is for CH2 Kawasaki slip-on set year 2021 to 2023. Since titanium made, sobrang gaan niya. Magaan, sobrang gaan nito kasi nga lightweight pagka titanium materials. Yun. Also, kaya kulay blue siya, requested by client. Naka blue burnt, tawag dyan titanium blue. Pwede rin naman plain titanium lang na ganito. Pwede plain lang siya, diretso na ganitong kulay, plain titanium. If you want na ganun design, pwede rin. Yan, so yung umorder, PM lang kayo, direct message sa me to Facebook or YouTube, and also on my FB page. I'm always online naman. So yan. Also this is comes with built-in bracket. Ayan, naka built-in bracket siya. And may kasama pa to. Ito yung clamp niya para dito. Mag-hold dun sa elbow na to, punta dun sa stock elbow. So ito yan. Okay, buksan natin. Stainless lang to na clamp holder. Yan, stainless. Stainless made na clamp. Clip. So, dito yan. Yan, dyan yan. Yan yung tsura niyan. So, parang naka-clip siya. So, wala siyang spring. So, iipit mo lang to dun sa stock elbow ng ZH2. Yan, ganyan yan. Yan lang, parang clip-on lang. So, ipitan mo lang siya. Ito, ayan, yan. Ito. Pag-ipit niya. So, yun, again, for ZH2 21 to 23 year model. Handmade titanium. Handmade works. Full real titanium. Buo siya. One piece. Okay, that's it. So, yung umorder